Here is the proper way to fill minor scratches in melamine material using a color-matched fill stick. Here's what you need. First, you need your color-matched fill stick. You need a plastic card of some kind, and a soft, clean cloth, and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. First, I'll scratch this melamine material, and then we will fill the scratch using the color-matched fill stick. Here we have a pretty serious scratch. First, we take our color-matched fill stick, and then we rub it into the crack perpendicular to the crack, using about the same amount of pressure that you would use with a crayon on a piece of paper. What we're doing is building up a layer inside the scratch. Once we've filled the scratch, we use our plastic card perpendicular to the scratch to scrape away the excess. Next, we use our soft, clean cloth and just a drop of rubbing alcohol to buff away the excess. Good as new.